everyone.
We're Baden Dreams. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a style sheet.
Wait, what's a style sheet?
I'm so glad you asked. A style sheet is a form that shows people everything you need to know about your company, brand, or project. For example, if I owned a cupcake shop and I was trying to make a business card and I didn't know what color I should use, I could refer to my style sheet to find the hexadecimal code. But first, let me show you Baden Dreams style sheet.
Awesome, but what do you even put on a style sheet?
Well, on a good style sheet,
Making your style sheet. You're going to open your research notebook to the style sheet page. You're going to upload your logo by going to Insert, Image from Drive, and navigate to your logo so that you can insert it into the style sheet. Center it below the title, Official Logo. After you do that, you're going to type in the RGB values for the colors that you used, as well as the hex codes. Make sure you label the colors. It's going to save you a lot of trouble if you can quickly identify which RGB and hex codes belong to which colors. Next, you're going to type in the official font for your project or fellowship, which is the font that you used when you created your logo. If you cannot find the actual font that you used in whatever program you used to create your logo, you are going to find the Google font that matches most closely to what you used, and put that in also.
you should have your company's logo, hexadecimal codes, destinations, social media handles, links, and official fonts.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff on one style sheet.
Not really, just basic information for the public to know about.
So I need my logo, social media handles, hexadecimal codes, links, and fonts.
Yep.
Exactly, Maya. Great job.
Thanks, and thank you for watching.
Bye.